Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and I'm still training people on how to make money online on Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yes, we both know that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And the more product you sell, the more commission you get. And there are several ways by which you can get people to buy from your affiliate platforms. Like we have different type of affiliate platforms. We have example like Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. But I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank affiliate marketing. And there are different ways by which you can make money, or you can put traffic to your affiliate platforms for you to have many people to buy the products and have great commission. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, let me start by explaining with the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system is a way by which you pay digital platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and the likes, and maybe also freelancers on Clickbank or freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork to promote your affiliate product to audience online for them to buy or to click for you to get commission on your affiliate platforms. And commission means the percentage which you earn from each product you sell for the company. Yes, for example, if a bag costs $70 and you sell it for the company, maybe the company can decide that the commission which you be given for selling the $70 bag maybe $50. So the $50 is the commission, and the more products you sell, the more commission you are going to get. So I have a software which I developed myself. Yes, because over the years, due to my issue in affiliate marketing, I've tried several methods by which I can get traffic to my affiliate platforms, but most of the methods I tried did not give me the desired result I want. I've tried several paid traffic methods. I've tried email marketing, and the tools I use or the one I got online are not really efficient to do the work and give me the result I want. So due to that, I've developed several softwares over the time, and I'll be using them. And presently I have a software which is giving me excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing excellently fine like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, these are great results. Yes, with my software you are going to have access to more than 2,000 organic traffic daily, which are going to access your affiliate platforms. They are not just going to click because they are targeted traffic. There's a way by which in my video course you will see the way I get targeted traffic with my software, and I send message to them daily, and there's a great result like the one you can see on the screen. So my software and video course is up for sale now, and if you want to get my software and video course and start any big like the one you can see on the screen, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my software is no longer available to Clickbank but you can also use my software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus and the likes. So get my software today and start earning big. And also some people are asking me that since I'm making millions online, why am I still selling the software? I'll be saying this in my video course because due to my software developing strategies which I'll be using, I have gone into several software affiliate marketing software development also. So I have new softwares and new skills which I want to bring out to the public, and because I have students around the world which I'm training and which are using my software to earn money online, like this my students that you can see the results on the screen. So I have a bigger platforms for them, and with time we are going to go into deeper and bigger programs. So contact me today on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen too.